And so the question that you chose to ask, will it be better where we're going? And though the answer I don't know for a fact, still my heart is saying, oh yeah.
Still just taking it one day at a time. Still don't know what I'm trying to find. Really I don't mind, cause I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. Yeah. No longer focused on yesterday, and I don't care, the rest will say whatever they want, what's left to say, what's left to say. Cause I'm leaving all the pain today, meaning what I'm trying to say, believing I can find a way. Hey, and I'm dreaming, no need to show me how the reason you can't slow me down, season the moment only now. Yeah, so we gon' be
chasing. I wanna live like we don't know much, but we know we're gonna make it. And I don't wanna spend another night alone. I wanna go, cause if we don't leave now, then we're never gonna make it home.
I'm living front row, y'all can take the mezzanine. Backseat chillin', treating life like it's a magazine. 17 and making money, with no doubt I had a crush on Gwen Stefani. You no doubt, like I woke up inside a new Bugatti. Let's roll out, nobody told me this was just a hobby. You know now, but if you didn't then you probably would've got it. I remember breaking even, now we at it making profit. I ain't tryna take the throne, but baby give me options like I'm Geno Smith. I tell them do it on your own, me and Keena did. And now we tryna take the road less traveled, cause sometimes the best shit's secret. So take your old ways, cause we don't need it. I'm doing it my way, so don't repeat it. And if you say it's just a dream, I don't feel it. You wanna take me down a notch, but this is more appealing. Like, I got the type of life that no one tryna mess with. You got the Michaela Maroney bitches ain't impressed with.
I wanna go where the lights are low and the dreamers are chasing. I wanna live like we don't know much, but we know we're gonna make it. And I don't wanna spend another night alone. I wanna go, cause if we don't leave now, then we're never gonna make it home. Wait until I make it home. Wait until I make it home.
I ain't a movie star, I ain't a ball player, but if you ask me what I do it all, player. I got these girls going wild like I'm John Mayer, and I don't need a damn guitar.
There is no one like me. There is no one like me. Like me. Take a second look and you'll see. There is no one like me. There is no one like me. Like me.
yeah, let me tell you all the story. Everybody gather round. Once there was a boy, he was the coolest kid in town. He knew he wasn't perfect, just like everybody else, but he always knew the importance of staying true to himself. Cause all the other kids would hide behind a mask. So when they took attendance, he the only one in class. You could probably raise his hand when he heard his name. Never lost track of who he was or tried to change. Even through the peer pressure, he was happy in his skin, while everyone around him was obsessed with fitting in. He never let the words of others get in his way. Hey, and that's what made him into the man he is today. Sing!
Take a second look and you'll see. There is no one like me. Like me. There is no one like me. Like me. Like me. You better be consider. You will never do better. There is no one like me. Like me. Like me.
Yeah.
There is no one like me.
How his friends are dressing different, barely recognized him. Every day was Halloween, costume man disguised him. Girls covered in makeup to make up for the insecurities. Guys were acting tough to make up for the immaturity. Yeah, but he always followed his heart. Once he almost gave in, but he knew it wouldn't be smart. Cause it's hard to stay the same, and the world is always changing. He looked around to find he was the only one remaining. And in that moment, he never felt so proud. He knew he wasn't just another face in the crowd. He never let the thoughts of others get in his way. Hey, and that's what made him into the man he is today. Sing!
Take a second look and you'll see. There is no one like me. Like me. There is no one like me.
Like me, la 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 la, like me.
You better reconsider. You will never do better. There is no one like me.
Like me, la 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 la, like me. There ain't no one like me, man. I hope that you can look in the mirror every day and say to yourself, there's no one like you. Yeah.
Take a second look and you'll see. There is no one like me.
Like me.
There is no one like me.
Like me, la 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 la, like me.
You better reconsider. You will never do better. There is no one like me.
Like me, la 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 la, like me.
Is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
I get my best flows to test on my next shows while my whiteboard is marked up with expos. Planning out all of my next moves to expos and most unlikely artists to make it out of the West Coast. Teenager with the mind of a vet though, but soon somebody will sign him a check. So if you did something that you highly regret, I recommend it, it's about time that you let go. Cause at first they were trying to diss me, now I'm coming up so they ask for favors. And when you get noticed, the story flips. See, now they talking to me on their best behavior. People I barely know telling me they love me. Two-faced friends only in it for the money. Who can you trust when he trying to be the greatest? But now I'm waving bye to you haters until I'm number
One more mile till I reach my destination. One more mile and I'll achieve greatness. One more mile is how I get ahead. But one more mile and I'll probably be dead. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
The door slammed shut and left just an echo. Repeated in my head and it won't let go. I wondered, hey, what might have caused this mess? Was it the wife or the kids or a lack of interest? Or was it my fault for not praying enough and diligently showing him a fatherly love? We are all left with a diminishing hope, but we pray every day that he comes back home. Cause he will get lost without a trail guide, and he can't do much with that old rusty knife. Out to be a leader, but he follows his mind and chases after what he was told he would find. Believed he'd find that thing, whatever you call it, and whatever he could do just to fill up his wallet. All that he left us with bills to sort through, and what he said as he put on his new suit. One more mile till I reach my destination. One more mile and I'll achieve greatness. One more mile is how I get ahead, but one more mile and I'll probably be dead.
Säg jultomte på 3. 1, 2, 3. Ingen någon med att ta en bild? Nice. Det är därför jag har med dig, Vincent. Du är på det mesta.
Ja, vad fan ska jag säga? Vincent är good guy.
Utan Vincent hade jag inte haft den där 2013.
Exakt.
Va? Nej, never mind, jag okej. Jag sa det är inte...
Men Andreas, när det bara är vi två så räknas det inte riktigt.
Shish! Det var minst 2 killar med.
Ja.
Du får ta en bild med mig och tomten. Det behöver inte vara en jättebra. Ja.
Nice.
Ja, vänta.
Nej, den kan jag ta. Tack så mycket.
Jag vill också ha, inte det?
Det kommer. Ja, perfekt.
Ja, eller hur?
Härligt.
Tack så mycket. Vad roligt.
Jättemycket, ja.
Vi skrattar så mycket alla här.
Ja,
Det var
det
är
trevligt.
sådana där, jag tyckte det var kul.
Ho, ho, ho.
Hej.
Ja, men om ni vill ha det.
Tack så mycket. Vill du ha? Vad säger man då? Tack.
Vill du ha?
Holy moly! Fucking batteri till redan drained.
Vi kanske börjar köra då, eller?